Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study an important topic of electrical engineering, which is superposition theorem. Superposition theorem is very important theorem in network analysis, and it is frequently asked in diploma engineering exams. So the superposition theorem states that in any linear circuit containing more than one independent source, the current through or voltage across any element is the algebraic sum of currents or voltages produced by each independent source acting alone. And simple explanation, if a circuit has two or more sources like voltage source and current source, then we cannot easily find the current directly. So we take one source at a time and we calculate the current or voltage produced by that source. Then we take the second source and calculate again. Finally, we add all the individual results to get the final answer. This is called superposition. Now, we will learn the rules, most important rules of superposition theorem. Most important rules of superposition theorem. When we consider one source, we need to remove other source. Most important rules of superposition theorem is one is if we consider the voltage source, then current source will be replaced by open circuit. And second point is when we consider current source, the voltage source will be replaced by short circuit. This is the basic rule of superposition theorem. Understand with the help of circuit diagram. We consider a circuit diagram with voltage source V and the resistor in series with R1 and the load resistor RL and a current source I. Now we will find the current through the RL. Find current through RL using superposition theorem. So rules of superposition theorem is when we consider voltage source, current source will be open circuit. I consider the voltage source, the current source will be open circuit. The current source will be open circuit. We have to calculate the current through RL. We consider that the current through RL is I1, and when we consider the voltage source, the current through RL is I1. Current source, the voltage source will be short circuited. Consider current source, the voltage source will be short circuited. This is the current source and the voltage source will be short circuited. Current source IC. When we consider the current source, the voltage source will be short circuited. Let this current through RL, when we consider the current source will be, let this current through RL will be I2. current through RL will be I. Therefore, I is equals to I1 plus I2 according to superposition theorem, algebraic sum of these currents, algebraic sum of these sources. And so we add the results become to get the final answer. So this is the basic working of superposition theorem. In the next video, before solving numerical problem on the superposition theorem, you first need to understand what a linear circuit is with examples, and after that we will solve superposition theorem problems. Thank you.